Namaste. Let's begin our practice today, moving into a lateral stretch variation. With your left hand to the chair, inhale, reach your right arm up and overhead. Exhale to lower. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping the weight even in your hips. As you lift up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your right side body. Release, and let's repeat on the opposite side. Place your right hand to the chair for support. Inhale, reach your left arm up and overhead. Exhale to lower. Release and return to center. Moving into a forward bend variation, step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through both feet. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And on your exhale, sweep your arms towards the earth, gently folding forward from your hip creases. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged and your legs active with your knees over your ankles, pressing your thighs open, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, back, and legs. Pausing and upright, place your left forearm to your left thigh. Reach your right arm to the sky and then back and open, feeling a gentle stretch across your chest and shoulders. Adding movement, inhale at the top, exhale, sweep across your body towards your left thigh. Inhale, open wide, exhale, sweep across. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulder, and top arm. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Place your right forearm to your right thigh. Reach your left arm to the sky and then back and open, feeling a gentle stretch across your chest, shoulder, and top arm. Adding movement, inhale with your arm open wide, and on your exhale, sweep across your body towards your right thigh. Continue moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release, returning to upright, moving into a diagonal stretch. Place your hands to your thighs with your fingertips pointing inward. Begin to alternate, drawing opposite shoulder to knee, flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, feeling a gentle stretch through your chest, shoulders, back, and legs. Pausing and upright, Maintain your wide stance with your hands to your thighs, moving into torso circles. Inhale, circle your torso forward and around. Exhale, circle back. Continue flowing with this movement, keeping your core engaged, creating more space and ease through your neck, shoulders, chest, back, and abdomen. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Release and return to center. Moving into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Optional to add the light weight of your right hand to deepen this stretch. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Optional to add the light weight of your left hand to deepen this stretch. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle wrist and hand stretch. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away, extending your arms forward. Begin to alternate lengthening through your wrists and stretching through your fingers. Continue with this movement, keeping your arms extended, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, wrists, hands, and fingers. Adding a lateral stretch variation. Reach your arms overhead, lengthening through your wrists. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. Inhale at the top, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. And on your exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, creating more space and ease through your arms, neck, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today. placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.